Hey guys, I'm just gonna take a ride today. It's beautiful out. Look at that sky. Super nice weather. So I'm gonna take off. Just gonna go for a little adventure. We'll see how it goes.
Well, a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and it would be almost illegal to not go out and ride today, so I'm gonna go for a real ride. Hopefully, I switched to 2.7K, and we'll see what that looks like. I have a feeling my whole dash is going to be cut off, but I guess we'll see. I see the police are parked illegally, as usual. Why not just park right? Oh, I'm a cop. I can do whatever I want. I'm in a mood today, I can see that. I can see that.
Well, I found a little spot out of the way. Pretty beautiful out, so I'm gonna, wow, there's acorns falling everywhere. I am going to play with this, play with my new drone, so we'll see what it looks like. Anyway, a really nice time out here for an hour or so flying my drone. It was something to do. Anyway, as always guys, thanks for watching.